So Stevie D. Hey. Doesn't every kid want to grow up to be a father? This is the shit. Get out of the copter or we'll shoot. How can a car know how to pick up chicks? Holy fuck! This huge big. Hello, I'm the Nostalgia Critic, guys, so you don't have to. Depots.
You've lost your balls.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to burn down a burning building. Oh, God. What the hell